Hello beautiful families, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here or you're watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Blessing and here is Shemele. Welcome back to another today topic. Guys, today I'm not feeling fine, as you can see, and that is I want to give you guys this update. Okay, we are here at the hospital. I'm going to also show you guys around. Okay, I will show you guys around, show you guys the room, show you guys our bedroom. Okay, Shemele is not feeling fine. Shemele is having cough, catarrh, cold. You know, now we are in winter, so the weather is not too good. And then number two, we also have injury for leg, so that is why we just let us just come to the hospital that they can also treat him. So we are here since yesterday, and then I just uploaded that yesterday before we just rush him here, and I decided to give you guys update. And today is Wednesday. I don't know when this video will go up. Maybe it will go up tomorrow, so that you guys will know that we are not around. We are in the hospital. In case you guys have not been seeing my vlog, you know I decided to be vlogging every day for you guys. In case you guys have not seen my video this week, like every day, just know that I'm not around. I'm here at the hospital. Okay, so Igwe just come, but he have already go home so that you can go and look the rest of the kids. And then we are here, and they could just bring food for us. I'm still going to show you guys the food. First of all, let me just show you guys around, and then show you guys the food, the bedroom. Okay, so let's go, and then we continue talking to you guys. Look at my own bed, and look at Shemele bed, and look at the hospital room. Look at Shemele, and here is the toilet. The toilet is so beautiful. Look at the toilet, and look at the toilet here, and here is the bedroom where you can bath, and here you can brush your teeth. So look at the bathroom, as you can see. So guys, let me go and show you guys the food that Igwe bring for us. Okay, so they already bring evening food for us this evening. They bring bread, but we did not eat the bread. We put it inside the fridge. In this hospital room, they have fridge here. So look at the fridge. We put the butter, the bread, and the meat they used to chop the bread. So we are not hungry. Yesterday we eat bread. This morning we eat bread. So we are tired of eating bread. So look at the rice Igwe brought for. Look at the rice he brought us. Stew. The stew is so plenty. We cannot finish the stew. The stew is so plenty, and here is the rice. So we have water here at the hospital. Shemele wants to bath, and he like bath so much. So now we just clean his body, brush him, because Igwe just bring our brush this evening. I cannot lie for you guys. This morning I never brush, and I don't chop. I never brush. So now I'm going to brush Shemele, and then we're going to eat. Okay, so let me just brush him, and then I will also bath. After that, I will come back, and then we eat the food with you guys. Okay, if I did not end this vlog today, maybe we are going to end it tomorrow. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later.
Tuna on the mix. If you give me more lala, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay me now, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay niggas, I'm under no bad. I'm under no bad. Nigga get this bargaining how we be. Bad as it bad, we go get the money. For that kind life, me not get enemy. That kind bag where they give energy. How they why they treat mama they fine. In your kwa mumula me go they fine. In your kwa my guys then go they fine. In your kwa my babes then go they fine. It's supposed be say. It's supposed be say everywhere don't steal. It's supposed be say. It's supposed be say everywhere don't matter. Try.
So guys, we just finished bathing. Oh yeah, sit down here. So you know he have injury on his leg, so I just use this towel to tie the leg so that the water cannot touch the leg. That is why I wrap it with towel. So what's really happened to his leg, when I get home, I'm going to tell you guys. Okay, Igwe just bring our sponge, shampoo, my perfume, cream, and brush, my toothbrush, and my clean. So I will use this Vaseline to rub him, because you know I don't use my cream to rub my children. No, I want to use this Vaseline to rub him, because Igwe did not bring a cream. All of them use one cream. I tell him to bring this cream because my lip always break, so I want to put the Vaseline on my lip before, but I do not have any other cream to rub in, so I'm going to rub in this Vaseline. Okay, so let me just rub in this Vaseline. I'm wearing clothes, then I'm going to have my own bath. After that, I'm going to talk to you guys. Okay, we just finished having our bath. We just the bath finish, and we need to eat now. I'm so very hungry. Don't make my yaka there, I just hang it there. Just leave my jacket for there. I don't want to comment why do you keep your jacket there. I love it like that. So let me serve the food guys so that we can eat. As you guys know, I already showed you guys this cooler before that Igwe used to bring the food, and here is the stew. Delicious stew, guys. Look at the rice. Rice is plenty. So I have plate for here, for the hospital plate, so I will just have shebele here, and then I will eat my own inside the cooler. You want to eat plenty, you want to, and we cannot finish this food. Maybe let us eat together, and then if it's finished. I don't need stew. You don't need stew? Why? Because. What is because? So. No, you will eat one side, you will eat one side. So guys, I do it this way. So he said he did not need stew. I don't know why. So we are going to eat together. I will be using stew to be eating my own, and if it's finished, I will put another rice. Okay, so let me just start eating. You say you don't know stew, have you? Cat good shaki. Haha.
I need all the shaki.
You need a little shaki, and you don't want to eat stew, no? Delicious. Don't point to the floor.
Tuna on the mix.
If you give me more now, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay me now, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay niggas, I'm under no bad. I'm under no bad. Nigga get this bag anyhow we be. Bad as it bad, we go get the money. For that kind life, me not get an that kind bag where they give energy. How they why they treat mama they fine. In your kwa mumula me go they fine. In your kwa my guys then go they fine. In your kwa my babes then go they fine. It's supposed be say. It's supposed be say everywhere don't steal. It's supposed be say. It's supposed be say everywhere don't marama. Hi, chai. Oluwa nyetuno mumula o. Biko nyetuno mumula o. Chai. Amande no bad. If you give me mula now, amande no bad. If hustle pay me now, amande no bad. If hustle hustle pay niggas. A man they no bad. A man they no bad. Oluwa do me a one benzo. Oluwa do guys say one benzo. I suppose get my new benzo. I suppose get my new crib. Bad energy stay far away. All the money come my way. I see the hustle make it they pay. I see the struggle make it they pay. Every day me I just pray. Every day.
Yes, we are done eating and then I really enjoy. Hey, I really enjoy eating this
And we
food.
are finished.
And we are finished. Do you enjoy the food? Come and show your face now. Do you enjoy the food?
Yes.
What are you eating?
Meat.
So, guys, this food is so delicious. Look at the plate. We finish everything, but it still remains. We remain some inside the cooler. We are going to eat that one maybe tomorrow morning. I'm going to put it inside the fridge. Whether it's cold, I'm going to eat it like that. So I know that this video is long enough to be uploaded. So hope you guys enjoy our small hospital vlog. If you do enjoy it, do not forget to subscribe and then pray for me.
Share.
Yes.
And comment.
And comment. So guys, pray for my baby boy to heal very, but I'm happy now. I can play. This time yesterday he's crying, but I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to God that he is okay now. Okay, so I will see you all tomorrow, and then we'll continue another vlog tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. We love you.